If you want to figure out how to know if you're already approved for the Amazon On-Site Commissions program, I'm here to let you know where to look and how to know if you're already approved. My name is Lauren, and before we get started, really quickly, I want to let you know about two resources that I have available for you. First is a community, a support group of Amazon influencers where you can ask questions, learn new things, whether you're a complete beginner or if you've been in the program and you're trying to grow. I also have a low-cost workshop where you can get into, learn all the tips and tricks, everything you need to know in order to get approved for Amazon on-site commissions, and I'll link both of those below. But let's go ahead and jump into the video where I'm going to show you where to look to know if you're already approved for Amazon on-site commissions. All right, so first thing I want you to do to know whether or not you are approved for on-site commissions is just straight up Google Amazon Creator Hub. This is the page that you want to make sure that you're on in order to see if you're approved or if your account maybe is in review for on-site commissions. So once you go here, you'll see the Amazon link to the Amazon Creator Hub. Go ahead and click on that, and then it's going to pull up this page that you see here. So this is a brand new influencer account that I have, and it is obviously not approved for on-site commissions because over here we see the blue lock symbol, meaning we are not approved yet for Amazon on-site commissions. And then up at the top here you're gonna see this progress bar, if you will, and it'll tell you how many videos you have uploaded of your 3 videos. So I walk through in a different video that I'll link up here for you what exactly is the on-site commissions program, how does it work, what you need to do in order to apply for on-site commissions. So if you want to learn more of those details and more in depth, you can do that in that video that I put up there. But just know, in order for your account, you're already in the influencer account. So in order for your influencer program account to be reviewed, to be approved for on-site commissions, you must upload 3 videos to your storefront, which you can do from this page that we're on here, the Creator Hub. And you'll do that, upload the 3 shoppable videos, make sure you have the product in each video tagged. I would recommend just doing single product reviews, and then you'll put your titles on, thumbnails if you choose, they're optional. And then up here, once you have your 3 videos uploaded, it'll say 3 of 3 videos uploaded, and it'll give you a little message saying that your account is now in review. I would upload those 3 videos and just wait to make sure your account goes into review, and then once it gets out of review, whether you're approved or denied for on-site commissions, then you can move on and figure out what are your next steps after that. By the way, the first time around, so you get 3 tries to get approved for Amazon on-site commissions with each influencer program account that you have. And I was actually denied the first time around. I made some changes and then I got approved for on-site commissions. I've made a separate video for that too. So if you have questions about that, I'll link it up here. But this is the page where, again, you'll be able to upload your videos to your storefront, those 3 videos that you need to get approved and, well, to get it reviewed, to get approved for on-site commissions. And then it'll give you this little progress bar here. And then once you are approved, if your account is approved for on-site commissions, this blue lock symbol right up here will go away, and you'll be able to see, just like you see these clearly, it say earned on-site commissions, and you'll be able to click on your associates central page from this little box that you see here. So the Creator Hub is where you're going to look to make sure if you are approved for Amazon on-site commissions. I hope that this was helpful. I see a lot of people asking me who aren't really sure if they are approved for on-site commissions yet. Where do they look to see if they are approved? So this is here to help you with that question. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and I'll be posting more Amazon influencer tips and help for you. And again, if you'd like to, I have that low-cost workshop. I'll link below where I give you everything you need to know to get in and approved for on-site commissions. So go ahead and check that out, and I will see you in the next video.